Am I the only one that didn't know how crucial the right wedding shoes are? Your wedding day is one of the most memorable days of your life, but it's not just about looking fabulous, it's about feeling fabulous too. And nothing can make or break your big day like the right or wrong shoes. Think about it. You'll be walking down the aisle, posing for photos and dancing the night away. The last thing you want is aching feet or a fashion faux pas. That's why choosing the perfect wedding shoe is so crucial. So, whether you're dreaming of Cinderella-esque glass slippers or chic stilettos, I'm here to guide you through the process and help you find the perfect pair to carry you through your most magical day. Let's walk you through how to pick the perfect wedding shoe. Darlings, remember, your shoes should complement your dress, not compete with it. It's all about creating a harmonious silhouette. If you're going for a fairy tale ball gown, a closed-toe heel like a classic pump will add that touch of timeless elegance. The elongated line of the heel complements the fullness of the skirt beautifully. But if you've chosen a sleek and modern sheath dress, you have more freedom to play with strappy sandals or even a statement flat. It's all about balance. A slimmer silhouette can handle a bolder shoe choice. Okay, so we've talked about style, but let's be real, comfort is non-negotiable on your wedding day. Trust me, your feet will thank you. This isn't the time to be squeezing into shoes that pinch or wobbling on sky-high heels you can barely walk in. Look for shoes with cushioned insoles or consider a shorter block heel for added stability and support. Remember, you're going to be on your feet for hours, so choose wisely. You want to be present and enjoying every moment, not distracted by sore feet. Now let's talk location. Your venue plays a huge role in determining the practicality of your shoe choice. For a dreamy beach wedding, ditch the heels altogether and opt for elegant flats, bejeweled sandals, or even a stylish wedge. You don't want to be sinking into the sand with every step. And if you're saying I do in a garden or grassy area, protect those gorgeous heels with heel caps. They'll prevent you from aerating the lawn. Platforms can also be a lifesaver, literally, keeping your heels from sinking into the ground. Alright, you found the shoes? Congratulations! But don't even think about waiting until the big day to give them a test run. Breaking in your shoes is crucial. Start by wearing them around the house for short periods, gradually increasing the time as your feet adjust. Even better, wear them to one of your dress fittings. This will give you a chance to practice walking and even try out some dance moves. Trust me, breaking in your shoes will save you from blisters, pain, and a whole lot of discomfort on your big day. Here's a little secret from a seasoned wedding pro. Always, and I mean always, have a backup pair of shoes on hand. Think of it as your insurance policy against aching feet. A pair of stylish flats, sparkly sandals, or even cute and comfy sneakers can be a lifesaver as the night goes on. Stash them away under your sweetheart table, or have a bridesmaid keep them handy. Your feet will be eternally grateful, and you'll still look absolutely fabulous. There you have it, my dears. Choosing the perfect wedding shoes is all about finding the perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality. Remember, these shoes are going to carry you through one of the most magical days of your life, so choose wisely. Now that you're ready to step into your perfect wedding shoes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more wedding tips and tricks. Your big day deserves your best steps forward. And remember, darlings, when it comes to your wedding day, never settle for anything less than fabulous.